Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to go over how to use the Morning Greetings poster builder, including how to make custom greetings. First thing you're going to want to do is pick a header for your poster. This is optional, but it does look nice, and I will go ahead and pick this header. Then you'll need to pick your greetings. So you'll scroll down the file and you'll see both the square and bar greetings. On the squares, you have two choices. You have a background colored version and a bordered colored version. And on the bars, you have bright colored backgrounds or muted backgrounds with bright colored text. In this case, I'll pick the air hug greeting. I'll go ahead and select it by clicking on it and hitting Control C on Windows for copy or Command C on the Mac. I'll go back up and scroll to find the header we picked. Select that slide. And I'll go ahead and hit Control V for paste on the Windows and Command V on the Mac. Now I will go ahead and do the same thing for each greeting that I want to add to our poster. If you're using a header on your page, you can add up to 3 greetings. If it's a blank page, you can add up to 4 greetings. With all the copying and pasting, you may overlap one of the greetings on your poster. Just go ahead and click on it and drag it down or up to the right position. Make sure you have even spacing between the greetings. If all you need are the 3 greetings for your poster, at this point you're done. If you want to add more greetings, you'll have to add a new slide. So we'll go ahead to the top on the menu bar and click on New Slides on PowerPoint and select Blank, and a new slide will appear below the current slide. I'll go ahead and do the same as before and copy and paste all the greetings onto the new slide. I can add as many new slides as I want, or just leave it off at 1 or 2 pages of slides. One thing I forgot to mention is if you are using more than 1 page for your greetings poster, I would go to the first page and move up each of the greetings to allow enough space on the bottom of the page once it prints out for you to glue or stick to the other pages. So let's say I want to make my own custom greeting. I will go ahead to the bottom, pick the template that you're using, whether it's the squares or the bars. In this case, I will use the orange bright bar. And you can go ahead and add no picture. You can leave it as it is without a picture, or you can add your own picture. In PowerPoint, you will go to Pictures. You can add it if you have it on your hard drive. You can look at stock images supplied by Microsoft. In this case, I'll go on to Online Pictures. And I want to make a whistle greeting. I like this one. It's simple. It gets it across that it's you whistle a tune and hit insert. It's here. For this case, I can go ahead and delete the text on the bottom just by selecting the box and hitting delete. I will resize it just a little to make it large enough to be seen, and the text, and I will change the text to whistle a tune. Once I'm happy with the way it looks, I will go ahead and highlight the entire bar, hit Control C on Windows, Command C on a Mac, go back up to our page and paste it. Once you're done designing your poster, all you have left to do is print it. In our example, we have pages 12 and 13 to print. So I'll go to File, Print. I will choose the range from pages 12 to 13. You can also use a comma because it's only 2 pages. And I will go ahead and print. And with that, you have just made your own custom greetings poster. Thank you for watching.